Okay, roughly 90% people, okay, have done 3 or more sessions, and we can see 50% people are 4 and 5. Consistency is the key, guys. Okay, all the ideas will be there. Okay, and if you follow those ideas, results will come. But question is, how many people actually follow those ideas? And that is the difference between success and failure. So ideas you will get, AI is there, internet is there, your brain is there. But the problem which people face is implementing those ideas and then doing it consistently. And those who can solve that problem, they will all win in their life. Right now, whether it is getting the job or even after the job, career ka journey also. So those who can implement the ideas. So don't feel great, Kyare, I know this, I have this idea, I am aware what to do. Because everybody is aware of what to do. Success comes when you do it. And it's not going to be simple. It's not something which can be done in one day, one weekend, one week also. You need long time for that. So basically, success, if you really want, you need to implement right ideas and be consistent with that. And this is the hard part. And 90% of the people fail in this one only. So if you want success, the journey is pretty straightforward. Okay. And you should imagine, right? So we day one, I think there were around 60, 70 members. Day two, it was 40 members. But yesterday also there were 20. So that means now serious members are available. Even today, right now, somehow we 20. Let's see how it goes further. But the point is 90% people find it very hard to implement, and they all will have struggle in life. And then they will be like, job is not coming and career growth is not happening. Means problem is in us. And then we blame the rest of the world. Okay, why it is not working like that. So we need to unlock this. We need to take responsibility, and then we need to fix our life rather than sitting, waiting, hoping, praying. Okay, we need to take actions and work towards our dreams, because that's how it will be accomplished. Okay, it is very simple. Don't complicate simple things. Okay, fine. And like we see in the poll, okay, we are seeing like there are 50% members. In fact, like 50 and 26%. So it is like 80% members, we can say 70 to 80% who are saying okay, we are 4 and 5. That's awesome. Okay. So today when we start the session, we will be first finalizing what we decided yesterday. Everybody, please put your full attention here. Yesterday when we completed the session, we gave a plan. What was the plan? Let me paste the plan here. This is the 4-step plan we said we will be doing. And if you have not decided it right now, then let's decide it. If your approach is not ready, so let's decide it. Okay. What basically was the strategy? We will find all tech skills which market wants. This we already prepared. Yesterday we had it. From there we took Pareto, nothing but top 20% for maximum impact during interview. And then we asked ourselves a question, yeah, are we 50% prepared in the Pareto top topics? Let's take a quick poll here. So first question, guys. Okay, let's take a quick poll. So right now, open up your yesterday's document where you have pasted that Pareto related principles. Everybody, please open your technical skills where you have written this Pareto principle related stuff. If anybody has not done all this activity, you have to watch all the sessions, because the daily practical activities are coming. You cannot just get started with today, because last week we were fully working. So guys, all the members, open up this Pareto related technical list. Okay, what IT industry needs. Okay. And like I also pasted something, right? So while we were working yesterday, so open up that document. And something like this. Everybody should have a list. So this is prepared, right? Using AI and other things. Okay, in each topic, what we are supposed to do. So please open up this list. And now ask yourself a question. Whatever this top 20% items available, okay, you need to look at all the section. And you need to first ask yourself a question. Are you 50% prepared in each of this top 20% category. So one by one, now you do the analysis. Okay. So let's say, for example, your basic programming stuff. Are you 50% prepared in this? Just say yes or no. Second, what does programming mean? Core Java, DSA, multi-threading. So those are basic programming stuff. Next, framework and backend. At least this category AI showed to me. You evaluate for yourself. Are you okay? 50% prepared or more? So either less than 50% or more than 50%. So just say 50% yes or more. Third, nothing but try to evaluate yourself in database. All the top things which is mentioned here. Are you 50% ready with that? Everybody start answering all this. Yes or no? Fourth, build and version control. Git, Maven, these kind of tools. Yes or no? Next, DevOps and deployment. DevOps and deployment. Yes or no? Next, testing and debugging. Testing and debugging. Yes or no? One by one evaluate. Are you 50% ready in each of this category? Working with cloud systems. Some basics of AWS and stuff. Yes or no? Okay. Web and architecture concept, HTTP, the basics of the internet. That is another topic. Basics of internet. How ready you are? Are you 50% ready in this topic? 50% of Pareto, okay? Each of the category try to put. And this is the final list, that's okay. Reality check. Most of the focus will be core DSA, Spring Boot, SQL, REST. Git, Docker, Cloud, okay, correspondingly have less significance. So this is build, your Git will come, Docker and stuff will come. So cloud also belongs here. This web actually is here. Testing and debugging also you can put it here. So first your focus should be on these areas. And then basics of build tool will definitely be required, basics. These other areas you can still continue later, but at least these are all basic things. Try to evaluate yourself in each of the area. Read your list which is given by AI yesterday for the top 20 and check. Answer a yes or no for each of the category. For each of the category. And first do this for whatever categories you have. So my AI has given this thing to me. For you, whatever it might be, right? So you have to focus key programming. All this way you have to first reach 50%. If it is not done, first spend your energy in becoming prepared in this one. Later on, we can do the other things, guys. Later you can start with your job hunting and other areas. Don't try to take shortcut because you will not get the job with shortcut. Even if you are in the company, you will be terminated also because you cannot do the job. So become good, and then company will need you, they will reward you, they will give you nice promotions and everything. But first become capable for that, right? Who will hire a person who does not know and then babysit that guy? Nobody does that. Okay. After you have done this analysis, if you are having no year for any category, okay, then your answer should be, Abhi, now I'm going to ask a poll. Are you 50% prepared, 50% or more, 50% or more prepared in each of the key category from top 20% Pareto? Okay, so you can remove these two, but from these areas, if you are yes for all, then you need to mark the answer as yes, otherwise you say no. So I'm going to put a poll here. If anyone is no, you should put a poll no. If in every of the area you think you are 50% ready in all these areas, then you should put a yes. So let's see what are we all doing with this regards. Okay, so hello everyone. And now that is what is self-reflection. Yes, no. Let's put up a poll. And we need to know the truth. Don't lie to yourself, right? Don't lie to yourself. Be honest to yourself, because then you can do something about it. If you just feel, I am great, everything is going to be great for me. How is that possible? Then already you should have had job, you should have had a great career. Then why are you struggling in life right now? So that means there is something wrong, which we need to identify and then fix it. And right now, 12 members have voted, and we are somewhere feeling in some of the main category, 90% members are not 50% prepared based upon your observation. And we need to know that, because if we don't know it, how will we solve it, right? Okay, so this is good. 18 people have marked the poll. You have to do evaluation, okay? And whatever it is, we need to know so that we can solve the problem. So 80 and 20. Okay, so let's say 80 and 20, around 24 members are saying, 24% members are saying we are 50% prepared. So all these 27% will have a different action plan now, and all the no category people should have a different action plan. So guys, everybody in your notepad, you decide your action plan. Okay, yesterday's guidance, I will again repeat those things. So, but yes, we see around 75% members are not 50% ready, and remaining 25% are 50% ready. That's good. Okay, so for this 26% members who are saying yes, we are 50% prepared, your action plan will be different. And the rest of the 74% members, okay, who are less than 50% prepared, your action plan should be different. Okay, guys, and in your notepad now, let's start writing your action plan. First of all, we will speak to the majority of the people, which is 74, or roughly right now the numbers have changed when 24 people marked attendance. 71% is saying we are here, and then 29% is here. Okay, so first let's discuss about majority, 71% who are less than 50% prepared. Okay, step number one, guys, everyone, both the categories. This is category 1, cat 1, and this is cat 2, just to label it. Every one of us should work 10 to 12 hours daily. There is no escape than that. Don't say I will do only 2 hours, 3 hours, and then give me success. You will not get success, because it's not something which can be done in 2 hours, even 4 hours, 5 hours. It doesn't work out. With that approach, next 1 year also you do the job hunting, you will not get results. I'm telling you facts, because that's what we are here for, morning job seeker stand up, so that we can discuss honest truth. Okay, why we are not getting job and what needs to be done. So this is a fact. Daily spending few hours and expecting results to happen, it will not happen. Market is very crowded. Lakhs of people are hunting in the market. Whenever there is a job opening, thousands of members are applying for those jobs on all the platforms. There is a chaos in the market. And then you say, I don't want to work. Basically, you will not reach anywhere. So first statement which we have to understand is, daily we need to work like this, 10 to 12 hours, both the category, guys. Less than that means it is going to take forever to even get a job, and we don't know how much time. 1 year, even more than that. And second fact you should understand, all working professionals daily spend this much time. So including travel to office, then lunch time, and coming back to home, everybody spending 10 to 12 hours per day. So all working professionals already do it. Already do this. So don't think, why should I do? First, let me get the job, then I will start doing. No, start doing it right now. Become self-responsible. So the way working professionals already spend this much time, you have to do it. There is no escape to this. For example, every day morning, we are starting the session 8:30 a.m. So let this be your starting point, and then you close your day at whatever 6 p.m., 7 p.m. It is going to cover that much of time. Means after this morning stand-up that we do, maybe 9:15 we are closing, still stay busy throughout the day. Behave like working professionals. Don't do any time pass during the day. No social media, no movies, no friends, no traveling outside, no going to the market for getting anything, no sleeping, no relaxing. No. The way working professionals work in office from morning till evening, only they have lunch and maybe 10 minutes, some tea breaks and all. You should also do like that. That level of seriousness should be for all job seeker, because it is massive amount of work. A casual student behavior is not going to give you result. That's guaranteed. That's guaranteed. And that is the reason since past 2 years people are struggling in market, because they are not willing to do the right work. So write down the first statement, everybody. Behave like working professional. Daily 10 to 12 hours work mandatory. I'm not saying it is good to have. I'm not saying if you don't do it still you will get the job. No, you will not get the job, because there are lakhs of people, thousands apply every time for every job. Without efforts, you're not getting anywhere. So this is minimum. If you can do 13, 14, awesome, but don't impact your health. Fine. So guys, everybody, please write the first statement down. Behave like working professional, 10 to 12 hours every day you have to work. Once you have written with that, please give a quick thumbs up in the chat. Once you have written with the first point, then let's move to the second one. Itna we have to do. So start 8:30 in the morning and close your day at 6 p.m., 7 p.m., whatever. Once you have written the first one, please give a quick thumbs up, give a confirmation, then we will move forward. Okay. Chalo. Very good. Now, okay, thanks for confirming, guys. Now let's talk about the next point. Once you have done this, all the category 2 people who are saying we are not fully 50% prepared, your next action should be to right now do this action. Spend few minutes reading the documentation, whatever the skill set that is pending for you to reach 50%. At a high level, you will know where you are, where you're not. And set up a deadline by which you will be 50% ready. Set up a deadline by which you will be 50% ready in all the categories. Set up a date. Deadline means finalize a date. Now, different people might be at different pace. Now, look at your skill and look at your calendar and make a decision. Do you think 1 week will be enough? Do you think by 28th of February you will reach there? Do you think by mid of March you will reach there? Because things will take time. And you have to put all your time in preparation. Don't spend your energy in job hunting right now, because if you're not even 50% prepared, what will you apply? And nobody is going to shortlist basically. Skills are not there, knowledge is not there. What will you say during interview? And we are saying 50% of the top 20%. So we have really cut down to the minimum required. So please understand, all you guys, your full 10 to 12 hours, don't even prepare resume, don't even apply. You're just wasting your time. You need to first hit this deadline and complete 50%. So your full 10 to 12 hours, only preparation. When you give your 100% time for only preparation, you will complete this deadline quickly. And we are saying only reach the 50%, not learn everything, right? So guys, so you have to understand, if you daily give time only for preparation, then what will be the deadline by which you will complete it? Set up a date. Everyone, think, analyze, and choose a date. Look, I'm telling you, you try to still do now resume activity and apply activity and then parallel preparation. Instead of 1 month, you will need 2 months then, or even more. Then ye bhi nahi ho raha hai, wo bhi nahi ho raha hai. So life is all about prioritizing and doing the right thing. Anyways, I am giving my suggestion. If you want to change it, yes, change that, but analyze. If your approach is not working, maybe you have to again change some approaches. The thing, okay? I am saying what I strongly believe will work because I have done a lot of projects and a lot of prioritization, task planning, what needs to be done, what we should focus, how we can get productive and high performance results. So I know how to break down and approach a solution. That's what I'm trying to do it along with you guys so it can benefit you as well. But anyways, if you feel you want to do differently, experiment. But if it is not working, better to change that approach, right? So guys, set up a date. Analyze your list. Decide that all 100% time daily 10 to 12 hours. If you give less, it will take more time for you to finish. It's very simple. You work only 4 hours instead of 15 days, it will take you 30 days. You work only 2 hours, it will take you 60 days. Okay, you can imagine. You give more time, you will reach there quickly. You give less time, it takes that much time. You take in breaks in between, you are never reaching there. And forget about job hunting. So you can understand your actions will decide how quickly or far you will go. So considering all that, guys, set up a date. Do you think end of February is the right time you can hit 50? Or do you think mid of March you will hit it, 15th of March somewhere? Or do you think end of March or whatever? And write down the exact date. So guys, write down the date. Write down date. Set up a date. Once you have done with this, please mark a poll. Then we will continue further. So all the 68% members who said ki we are less than 50% prepared. Right now, you need to analyze and pick a date by when you will be 100%, 50% fully prepared. Okay. Chalo, let's see. Did you set up a deadline? Did you set up a end date to hit 50% prep in all categories? Yes. Done. Whatever it is, pick exact date. Write down 15th of March or 30th of March or 28th of February. And once you have done, please mark this poll. The other category people, category 1, they might say we are already 50% ready. What is our actions? Okay, we will discuss. But you can take a learning from this. Okay, we need to set up a goal. We need to set up a deadline by when we can hit it. And guys, set a practical deadline. Set up a practical deadline. So now there is clarity. What needs to be done and by what time needs to be done. If there is this clarity, it's easy to work on that. If you don't have the clarity, you're wasting all your days. For the next 3 months also, you will just waste everything because there is no clarity. Okay, what you should do in order to get the job. Right now, in 1 week, we have some clarity what our next action should be. Those guys who have missed the previous sessions, request you to watch all the recordings and take actions. And then Monday we will connect. Weekend is off. Saturday, Sunday, no 8:30 connects. Monday we will connect again 8:30 in the morning. Chalo, 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 everyone. 9:15 we need to stop today's session. It's already 8:58 right now. All the members choose a date. Whether you hit a date or not, that's a different story. Okay, that we have to now achieve somehow. So there is a plan of doing that also. But first, let's hit a date, guys. 9 members have marked yes. 9 members voted. Out of that, around 8 members or so marked it. Let's wait for another 30 seconds. Okay, pick a date. We need to have clarity. What needs to be done and by when it is going to happen. Then what will happen? You will not lose your time today. You will understand the cost that if you feel lazy today and if you don't do anything today, one day will be added to your goal. Yes or no? Okay, just imagine, everybody, look here. Let's look here so that you can better understand what we are actually trying to do. Okay, let's say you want to travel from one city to another city. Okay, you want to travel, let's say, from Hyderabad to, let's say, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, anywhere. You want to go from this place to this place. Okay, let's say roughly around whatever 500 kilometers or so, if the distance is available. So you know what needs to be done. 500 kilometers you have to travel, and then you can estimate how much time it is going to take. Let's say roughly around whatever 12 hours or whatever, depends upon your mode of transport. So if you take a flight, you will reach there quickly. If you take a train, different, bus, different, car, self-drive car, different, shift in between, different, approach could be different. But basic thing is, depends upon what mode you are taking for transfer, this much of distance, you will reach, let's say, 12 hours. You have chosen a mode of transport. Now let's ask ourselves a question. You drive for 2 hours and then you say, I want to now take a break. I will take a break now because I am lazy today. I don't feel like working. On social media, I saw negative news. Nothing is working out. Why am I doing so much hard work? This is what is happening to people. And then you will say, okay, so I don't want to now work for another 2 hours because now I am tired. I need time to cry and blame and complain. And then you say, okay, 2 hours I worked, but after that I will not be working for another 4 hours. What is going to happen? The thing which you would have reached in 12 hours, now it is going to take you 16 hours to reach, and that too, you need to resume back here and then continue. Then you are reaching in 16 hours. If you again get this kind of a boredom, no, again, I don't feel like doing, I want to cry, complain, blame. Again, you spend some hours there. This goal date is going to move forward in future. Instead of 16 hours, now you will take 20 hours. Same goal, same distance, but your journey affected that distance. This is what is your job. In order to get your job, you are here, you need to go here, and it's a journey. And every single day that you waste, you are adding +1 to your deadline. +1, +1, +1. So don't think your days are not costing you. They are costing you your future if you really understand. If you waste today, your goal is pushed in future by 1 day. If you do more work today, your goal comes near to you. What if you start driving in a different transport, in a quick manner, safer manner, but faster? You will reach there maybe in 10 hours. So point is, how you manage this journey without breaks will decide how quickly you will be getting your job. If you don't have this clarity, basically you will lose your today and you will feel nothing is going to happen. I will still get it. No, you're not going to get it. You're delaying it, delaying it. And guys, the serious problem which majority of the people feel, if they take many long breaks in between, still this list will not be completed, and a point will come, they will just give up. They will be like, "Arey yaar, since past 6 months I am working." No, you're not working since 6 months. You wasted a lot of time. You were lazy. You were complaining. You were blaming. You were not working. Don't lie to yourself again. But you feel good to say, "Arey, since 6 months I am doing job hunting. Still I don't have. Since 1 year I am doing." No, you remove all the time wasters and then you give the credit to yourself. Ke, "Ek saal se I am working." Liar. Don't lie, please. You need to be honest to yourself. Forget. Gossip ko you will say whatever. Does not matter. But what? You lie to yourself. That's the problem. You waste your days and then you lie to yourself, "Nahi, but I'm working hard now." No, you're wasting your time. How are you working hard? And it is going to have an impact. And you take time for social media and time wasters and all the other things, entertainment and drama of life. You don't give the time to what it is actually needed for, which is working towards your success. So we need to awaken. It's easy to always take the shortcut and say ki others are the problem, market is the problem. But when we look at ourselves, we are the problem. I am the problem for my life, you are the problem for your life. And if we solve ourselves, life becomes clear. No matter how tough the market is, no matter what happens in IT, getting one job is always possible. If the industry is standing, you can get the job. As simple as that. Okay. So guys, are we clear? Deadline matters. And if you waste your days, deadline will go forward in future. Guys, and this applies for everybody, even category 1 people, because your approach will also be target oriented, and you have to also keep doing preparation and job hunting in parallel. And if you keep giving up in between, taking breaks in between, your end date will go far forward in future, and you will suffer in the end because of that. So guys, are both the members clear with this? If you are 100% clear with this, please confirm. Okay, I fully understand and take responsibility for the way I use my time. Don't blame. This is a commitment now. Mark a yes if you really get it. And it's very serious. If you waste your today, one day, gaya goal or aage, getting the job or whatever. You know, not everyone is always motivated. Sometimes mood swings happen. But recover from that, man. How many times mood swing? How many times lazy? We are human beings. We will get a lot of other things. We are not machines. Every time we will work in an expected manner. Someday we feel lazy. Someday we feel like, nahi, aaj bus. It happens to everybody. But the point is, quickly recover from that. It's okay to waste one day in between. But people are doing it for like one weeks wasted. Getting lazy, sometimes more than 1 week also wasted. And then in the end, their life is further in problems. So please understand that your time is very important. Wasting it means job gaya in future. So utilize it effectively, job will happen quickly. Okay, good to see. 14 members, everybody saying I take responsibility of my time. That is awesome. Okay, fine. For now, for the category 2 people, this is the expectation. You have set up a deadline. Now, daily work towards it. You do the planning, how you want to approach, but daily work towards it to complete all items till you reach 50%, and keep checking the date. Okay, today is 20 February. What is your date? And you have to hit that. Before that, don't stop. Once you hit that point, then you will belong into the category 1 people. And now we will discuss the actions for category 1 people. Okay. So everybody, category 1 people, let's focus here. Good. You have already hit 50% or more. That is great. Ek level to you have already reached. Your next action should be your 10 to 12 hours daily should be split into 2 things. One is continue preparation, because you still have a lot of other things to do. And if your entire preparation is done, still revision has to happen, because as soon as you leave the preparation, you will start forgetting things. You will be out of touch in coding and problem solving. So continuous preparation is definitely required. And parallelly, you need to start with your job hunting. Both of that is required. Now, you define how much time. Maybe 60% time you can allocate here. Job hunting, you can allocate 40%. If your preparation is already very good, maybe this you can reduce to 40% and spend maximum time on this one. If your preparation is far good than that, maybe only 20% here, 80% here. So depends upon how much you are lacking in your preparation. Means, what is your preparation journey? First of all, the stages for you will be: first, target to complete all top 20% identified by Pareto. First, you need to hit all that. After that, you need to continue to rest of the items which is mentioned in that preparation list. And after that, it is going to parallelly have somewhere interview preparation, nothing but exploring on internet what type of questions, how to answer them, what all things can be done. So strong interview preparation should also happen. And then there is going to be revision, so that you stay in touch with all the topics. So guys, your preparation journey is going to consist like this. First, in each of the category, hit 20%. After that, continue learning till your final list is completed. Final list of what IT wants. We have prepared this list earlier. From this list, we are working on 20% first. So first you should do this. After that, you should prepare till your final list is prepared. Okay, continue till final list is ready. In parallel, interview preparation will happen and continuous revision is going to happen. So this is going to be your preparation journey. Can you write it quickly? All the members who are already with above 50%, please write down this action plan for you. If you feel something else we have missed out here, you can add that also. Okay, what your preparation has to be, include that as well. But yeah, generally at high level, this is what it is. First, hit the Pareto top 20, then continue till the final list, and then parallelly keep preparing what will come in interview for all of these categories, and then continuously be in revision. So this continues. So guys, write down these 4 things. Write down these 4 things. And now ask a question to yourself. How much time you want to allocate? How much time to allocate, or in terms of percentage, between preparation and job hunting? 60%, 40%, or 50-50? But please note, job hunting also needs massive amount of work. It's not just ki naukri pe dal diya and results will come. No, it's not like I'm daily applying, results will come. No, job hunting is also set of activities and a strategy. Next week we will get into all these ideas also, what needs to be done. But at least first, can we allocate some time? How much time you want to give for preparation daily, and how much time for job hunting daily? For the category 2 people, 100% time is job preparation only. 100% is preparation only. Job hunting, 0% right now. Why 0%? You are already not prepared. What are you trying to do? Unskilled people are useless to the industry. I need to use these kind of words. Unskilled people are useless. What will they do? Client expects to deliver us quickly work. Unskilled guys cannot do the job. Now you might say, but hire us and train us. Industry says, those who are smart, for them, all the training is available on internet. If you need us to train you, that is a weakness in itself. You are not a self-learner. When everything is available on YouTube and AI and everywhere, still you are not a self-learner. So company goes for people who are already prepared. Simple hota hai. All these are excuses. A company should hire us and train us. Why? Why should they do that? No, because they want us to work. No, they don't want you to work. They want to give job to the people who can work. And there is a lot of people in the market. They will find the right people and they will work. Right? You have to take your responsibility. Company will take their responsibility. So let's be honest to ourselves. What are we doing? Right? So guys, everyone, do this. How much time you want to allocate to preparation? We need to discuss the truth. Too much of sugar coating is destroying a lot of people's life. Tampering is destroying a lot of people's life. We need to be honest to ourselves. Ki kya kar rahe hai bhai? Okay, guys, did you write it? Did you allocate your time window for this, everyone? How much time you want to do? Did you allocate a time? 24 members have confirmed that you will take responsibility. And I'm telling you guys, you will enjoy your success when you have worked for it. You will enjoy, you will feel proud about yourself. And your confidence will be, okay, life mein I can do now anything. Once you accomplish this now, once you come out of this trouble, you will be a different person. Okay? Aane do life mein kya aata hai, I will fix everything. That personality will change. because it is challenging. It is very hard. I'm telling you, getting into the industry is the hardest part of your full IT career. Okay, if you become successful here, now lifelong you will be like kuch bhi kar lunga. Your attitude will be different. So do it for finding that new discovered person inside you. Maza aega. I still remember what I did and how much hard it was, but that changed my life. I became a different person. So guys, okay, did you finalize it? Percentage allocation to prep and job hunt for all the category 1 people. Yes, done. Think, daily 10-12 hours you are giving, how much percentage to do this, how much to do this. And for preparation, write down these 4 areas also. I think right now we should just take a pause here. Your next action should be, you start preparing in this direction. And for job hunting, whatever you are doing right now, continue doing that. Monday ko we will discuss on the next set of ideas. Okay, Monday ko we will further take it to the next set of ideas. What exactly needs to be done in order to do proper job hunting? All those things will come on Monday. And furthermore tips, we will even be talking about how the preparation should be. Next, how the resume building should be. What should be your day-to-day actions to be done. Everything, one by one, we will uncover all that. And then we have to parallelly keep taking actions, not like later on. But let your life change. And only you can change yourself. How do you spend your 24 hours today? It is your life and you have to make that decision. Your parents cannot do it for you. Your friends cannot do it. I cannot do it. Only you have control what you want to do today. Whether you want to pass it lazily, your choice. Whether you want to actually create some great impact today, your choice. And you need to understand, the way you spend your today will decide, are you still going towards your goal or are you not going towards it? Did you slow down? Did you take a wrong turn just because there was some sporting event? Now you took a break in between. Just because now some relative marriage is happening, you took a break in between. Just because you are feeling low, you took a break in between. Arey, but all these breaks should get you back on the track. What if you lose your motivation in the journey? Guys, I'm telling you, getting the job is not easy. It needs a better version of you to come out. What you are right now has some improvement areas. Please improve yourself. Okay? Please improve yourself. Life will change. Thank you everybody for your time. It was an amazing week, at least week 1. Lot of ideas, practical actions, and some thought processes we are trying to evolve. Monday say furthermore ideas and practical, how you can be more consistent. There are systems for everything, guys. It's been like, guys, 2026. Means from the time this calendar date started happening, 2000 years have passed on the planet where human beings were alive tracking the calendar. You can imagine 2000 years of humanity. All the problems which you are facing in your life of success, failure, ego, emotions, attitude, 2000 years say humanity has faced that problem. They have come up with solutions also. So you don't have to struggle with all this. You just need to find the right solutions, implement in. Please understand where you are standing right now. 2000 years onwards, humanity has been alive. They faced the problem which you are facing. They have solved it. Your responsibility, if you're smart enough, your responsibility is to find what the past human beings have done to overcome these challenges and how did they win in life. Now that is a smart approach. Building your career and life on the past humanity, not starting from ground zero. That is a smart approach. Think about it. You might say, in a job ka market, no, nothing matters. We are all the same human beings. We have problems, we have ego, we have ambitions, we have passion, we have dreams, we have 24 hours. We wake up in the morning, we sleep, we breathe, we eat, we work towards our dreams. Goals will change, circumstances will change, but try to live based upon insights from the past human beings. You will easily become successful. You don't have to struggle throughout your life. Yeah, I need to figure out everything. No, man, you don't. Everything is already figured out and is available in books, courses, internet. Okay, lot of religious scriptures, all these solutions to all your problems. You need to learn how to manage your time, gain your focus, work towards your dreams, have ambitions, never give up. Your attitude should change. You don't have to struggle so much, guys. It's easy to succeed. You just need the right direction. Okay? All the best. Take care of yourself. And see you guys Monday morning, 8:30 back again. Okay? Thank you guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a great Friday and a great weekend also. Bye-bye.